section formula. Section is nothing but dividing into two or more parts. A whole into dividing into some parts. Here, what is section? If we are taking any 2 points, the line joining will divide into some parts, at least 2 parts. Then the each part is called a section. For example, I am taking a line segment A and B. So A, B. So this is point A, this is point B. This point AB, this line segment AB dividing point P. P is the point which divides the line segment AB into 2 parts. Need not be equal. So these 2 parts need not be equal, but P dividing AB into 2 parts, then it is called a section. So P dividing into AB into 2 parts, 2 sections. Okay. So P is the point dividing A, B in the ratio m is to n. M is to n. Then the coordinates of P are, so let P is the point dividing the line joining points A and B. So A point x1 y1 and B point x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n. Then in the ratio m is to n, then point P equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So this is called, it is called section formula. Section formula. So this point P is dividing AB into some parts, 2 parts, then it is called a section formula. Okay. So let us consider points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, and P is the point x comma y. Divide the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Then the coordinates of P are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So if P is the midpoint, then P equal to, so midpoint is nothing but dividing the ratio 1 is to 1. Then the P coordinates are x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So let's the point P x comma y divides line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio lambda is to k is to 1. I am taking k is to 1. Then P x comma y, which is equal to k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1, k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So this formula is used to determine the ratio. If the point is given, 2 points are given, and the dividing, if point A and point B is given and this point is also given, we need to find out the ratio. We use this formula. Okay, this formula if we use, we can easily find the ratio. Or else, if these 2 points are given, ratio is given, then if we need point, we use this formula. So this formula is used to find a point. This formula is used to find the corresponding ratio. Next one, points of trisection. Points of trisection. The points which divides the line segment the points which divides the line segment into three equal parts are called points of trisection. Okay, so the points which divide the line segment in the ratio 2:1 or 1:2 are called points of trisection, or else dividing into three equal parts, A, B. So this is P, this is Q. So these three parts are equal. AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Then P comma Q are called points of trisection. So the points which divides the line segment into 1:2 or 2:1 ratio is called points of trisection. So this is also right. So to find the points of trisection, we use this condition. So this one equal to this one equal to this one, up to this one part, this one part, this one part. So to P, left side 1, right side 2. So 1:2. So to Q, left side 1, right side 2. So this is Q divides 1:2:1. This is 1:2. The line the points P comma Q dividing the points AB in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. Then the points are called points of trisection. Okay, next centroid. So the concurrent point of medians is called centroid. The concurrent points of medians is called centroid. So what is median? So if we are taking ABC is the triangle, so the line joining from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. The line joining from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side, this is AP, median. How many medians exist for triangle? 3. So B, Q, C, R. So these are medians. All these are intersected at one point. That point is called centroid. It is denoted with capital G. Okay. So the concurrent point of medians is called centroid. So P is the midpoint. So centroid divides median into 2:1 ratio. In the ratio 2:1. So centroid formula. Centroid, let A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are 3 points of a triangle. Then its centroid formula is G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula for centroid. So this is the centroid formula. With the help of centroid formula, we can easily find centroid of the triangle. Okay, next. So if we need a ratio when two points are given and dividing point is also given. If let P x comma y divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 in the ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. So this is the formula. So if we apply this formula, we can easily find the ratio. Of course, we may substitute in this also. We can get k value. It is same as this one. So the formula for ratio when 2 points, the line joining points are given and the dividing point is also given, then the ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or else y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Whatever you apply, you will get the same result. Again, section formula. What is section formula? So divide a line segment with another point. The point will divide a line segment into 2 or more parts, the points. Then those are called sections. Next, so section formula. A and B are 2 points. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Then so P point dividing in the ratio m is to n. Then the point P coordinates are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If the ratio is given k is to 1, so then the point kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So if it is midpoint is nothing but dividing in the ratio 1 is to 1. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. Next, points of trisection. The points which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. 2 equal parts bisection, 3 equal parts trisection. Okay, the points which divides in either 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1, then the points are called points of trisection. Okay, and next, so centroid. Centroid is nothing but concurrent point of medians. So what is median? The line joining from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called median. There exist 3 medians of a triangle. All these 3 medians are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called centroid. Okay, if A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are 3 points, then centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And let us consider P point x1 y x comma y which divide the line segment in the joining x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the ratio in which P divides AB is either x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. So this is the concept is required to solve the problems in exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2, first question. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points which divides the line segment joining the points minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. In the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, next solution. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points minus 1 comma 7, 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. So given A minus 1 comma 7, B 4 comma minus 3, ratio 2 is to 3, M 2 is to 3, M N x1 y1 x2 y2. So these are the points. So P point mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the formula. M 2 into 4, n 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3, comma m 2 into minus 3, n 3 into minus 3, 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 2 into 4 8, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 2 plus 3 5, comma 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 3 into 7 21 by 5. So 8 minus 3 5 by 5, 21 minus 6, 15 by 5, cancel 1 comma 3. So this is the solution. Okay, next second one, find the points of the line segment joining. Find the points of trisection of the line join of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Solution: A 4 comma minus 1, B minus 2 comma minus 3. So these are the points given: x1, y1, x2, y2. We need points of trisection. One time 1:2, another time 2:1 ratio. So first 1:2 ratio. N formula P I am taking mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m into x2, 1 into x2 minus 2, n 2 into x1, 4 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into minus 3. Now 1 into minus 3, 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus 2. 1 into minus 2, 2 into 4, 8 by 3, comma minus 3 minus 2 by 3. 8 minus 2, 6 by 3, 2, minus 5 by 3. So this is one of the point. Second one, 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. This is m, this is n. Now 2:1 ratio. So q equal to, I am taking another point, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So equal to 2 into x2 minus 2, 1 into x1, 4 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into y2 minus 3 plus 1 into y1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to minus 4 plus 4 by 3, comma minus 6 minus 1 by 3. Minus 4 plus 4, 0 by 3, 0, minus 7 by 3. So points of trisection are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So this is the required solution. Next question number, we will do third one. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Okay, now solution. So in the previous question, ratio given, we don't know the divided point, but here the divided point is given, we don't know the ratio. So given a minus 3 comma 10, b 6 comma minus 8, divided point is minus 1 comma 6. So let us consider this is P. So let P divides AB in k:1 ratio. k:1 ratio. So now the formula is P equal to kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. This is the formula. So kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So equal to point -1 comma 6 equal to k into x2. x2 equal to what? x2 6, x1 minus 3 by k plus 1 comma k equal to what? We don't know k. y2 minus 8, y1 plus 10 by k plus 1. So now -1 comma 6 equal to -1 comma 6 equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 comma minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. So -1 comma 6, which is equal to, so 2 points are equal, then the corresponding coordinates are equal. 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 equal to -1, or minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 equal to 6. So 6k minus 3 equal to k plus 1 into -1 of k plus 1. So 6k minus 3 equal to minus k minus 1. 6k plus k equal to -1 plus 3. 6k plus k. So 6k plus k equal to 7k equal to 2. K equal to 2 by 7. So ratio 2:7. So if we do this one, minus 8k plus 10 equal to 6 of k plus 1. Minus 8k plus 10 equal to 6k plus 6. So 6k this side, minus 8k minus 6k equal to 6 minus 10. Minus 14k equal to minus 4. K equal to minus 4 by minus 14. Cancel 2 by 7. Ratio equal to 2:7. Or else another method I will tell you. So minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma minus 8, minus 1 comma 6, x1 y1 x2 y2 xy. Ratio simply x1 minus x is to x minus x2, x1 minus 3 minus x minus or minus 1 plus 1 is to x minus 1 x2 minus 6. So minus 2 is to minus 7, that is equal to is to 7 simply. Or else y1 minus y is to y minus y2, y1 10 minus 6 is to 6 minus half minus plus 8, 6 plus 8, 10 minus 6 4 is to 6 plus 8 14, cancel 2:7. Overall ratio equal to 2:7. So whatever the method we may choose. So if you write, it will be, this is also correct. This is the exercise 7.2 fourth question. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order find x and y, find x comma y. So I want to take all the vertices order. Solution: A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma y, C x comma 6 and D 3 comma 5. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other is nothing but a midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint formula, midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. If we apply midpoint formula, so AC A 1 comma 2, C x comma 6. Midpoint of AC equal to 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6, 8 by 2. So I don't want to cancel, simply like that. So B equal to what? 4 comma y, D equal to 3 comma 5. So midpoint of BD equal to, so 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2 equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So corresponding coefficients are coordinates are equal. 1 plus x by 2 equal to 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 equal to y plus 5 by 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. X plus 1 equal to 7, x equal to 6. Next, y plus 5 equal to 8, y equal to 3. So x equal to 6 comma y equal to 3. This is the required solution. Okay, next 10th question. Find the centroid of the triangle. The centroid of the triangles of the triangle with vertices. First one, minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma 6, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, x1 minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3, minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3, 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3. So 6 minus 4, 2 by 3, comma 3 cancel, 6 by 3, 2. So this is the centroid. Next, second one is 6 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 4 comma minus 7, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Same formula. 6 plus 0 plus 4 by 3, 2 plus 0 minus 7 by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. Second. Next, third, 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 6, minus 3 comma 0, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Same formula. G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now I will write 1, x2 0, x3 minus 3 by 3, y1 minus 1, y2 6, y3 0 by 3. Overall 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 3, minus 1 plus 6 5 by 3. So this is the required solution.